Disclaimer: all types of vitamins, proteins, and etc. are used for muscle growth, recovery, speed/stamina. I have only given the main ones that show from across multiple studies to have a positive impact on your body. Some of these still might not have many studies supporting their effects, but multiple sites claim that overall it most likely works, which is why I also included those. Make sure to take proper doses of each of these supplements and make sure they fit your needs, such as age, fitness level, and weight. In general, I would suggest consulting with a doctor or doing some research on these supplements to see if they will have a negative impact on you. All of these are credited by at least one article and are included based on some of my opinions as well. Do not expect all of these to be 100% true. If you were just here for some of the supplements, like quick information on the supplements, what supplements you can take, not for the actual information on the supplements, but just knowing this supplement helps with this and this supplement helps with this, but not actually knowing why it helps with this and what else it helps with, then this first part is going to be for you, and then the second part will be me explaining all of them in depth. If you're here for the supplements that help with recovery, there is zinc, potassium, calcium, vitamin A, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, beta alanine, glutamine, HMB, creatine, protein, and BCAAs. All of those supplements can help with recovery. If you're looking for supplements that help with stamina, there's iron, magnesium, potassium, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C, biotin, beta alanine, glutamine, HMB, and BCAAs, which those are all supplements that help with stamina. And if you're looking for the supplements that help with strength, then these are the supplements: calcium, vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin D, creatine, protein, and BCAAs are all supplements that help with strength growth. And now, if you're here for part 2, which is the explained information on each supplement, then give me a second to pull the document. Thank you for staying here and actually going through all this, because I spent many hours making all this. Okay, for iron. Iron works by getting oxygen to the blood. More specifically, it works by helping your body produce hemoglobin, which the body needs for carrying oxygen from your lungs to your blood and muscles. This will help more with the stamina aspect of working out. Zinc. Zinc works by playing a role in post-exercise skeletal muscle regeneration. This means it helps repair muscle fibers after working out. This helps with the recovery aspect of working out. Magnesium. Magnesium works by absorbing fats, carbohydrates, and amino acids, which are then turned into usable energy for the body, also known as ATP. This will help more with the stamina aspect of working out. Potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that keeps your muscles contracting properly and your hydration levels in check. This will help with the recovery and stamina aspect of working out. Calcium. Calcium works by strengthening your bones, supporting muscle movement, keeping blood vessels healthy, and regulating blood pressure. This helps with the recovery and strength aspect of working out. Vitamin A. Vitamin A works by keeping your immune system strong and building bone strength. This will help more with the recovery and strength aspect of working out. Vitamin B2. Vitamin B2 works by metabolizing fat and protein and helps convert carbs into usable energy for the body. This vitamin has limited studies on it for the fact of it reducing muscle pain, soreness, and enhancing early recovery after working out. When I say limited studies, it means it isn't 100% confirmed to have these benefits, but it is somewhat likely that it does. This helps with the recovery and stamina aspect of working out. Vitamin B3. Vitamin B3 works by increasing muscular vascularity, or the appearance of superficial veins. One study shows that it may improve muscle performance, muscle repair, and improve metabolism. This most likely helps with the recovery, strength, and the stamina aspect of working out. This is not 100% confirmed, but it's most likely. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 works by digesting the protein you eat. Studies also say that vitamin B6 can also promote red blood cell production and healthy levels of nitric oxide, which promotes physical performance and endurance. This helps with the recovery and stamina aspect of working out. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 works by regulating brain function, stress hormone regulation, and dialing down fatigue by helping hemoglobins do their job. This helps with the recovery and stamina aspect of working out. Vitamin C. Vitamin C works by helping your body absorb iron more effectively. It also makes tendons, blood vessels, and ligaments stronger by checking if they have enough collagen. It also serves as a booster for your immune system. This will help more with the stamina, strength, and recovery aspect of working out. So it basically does them all. Vitamin D works by making our body absorb other nutrients better, especially calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are important for bone health. It also helps to restore and maintain the calcium in our bones. Without vitamin D, bones can become weak and fragile. This helps with the recovery and strength aspect of working out. You could just take a vitamin D supplement, or you could get it by going outside and getting some sunshine. Very easy. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin with several forms, but there's only one used by the human body called alpha tocopherol. Its role is to act as an antioxidant, scavenging free radicals that damage cells. This helps with the recovery aspect of working out. Biotin is an essential part of the vitamin B complex that helps your body get energy by digesting carbs. So basically, getting energy and turning it all into ATP. It also metabolizes fats and proteins in your body quicker. This helps with the stamina aspect of working out, meaning it basically helps the enzymes in your body so you can process things better. The fat and protein enzymes, not the carbohydrates one. At least I don't think. I didn't see anything about that. Beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is an amino acid that works by reducing fatigue and can possibly improve exercise performance. The effects of this supplement have limited study, meaning this may not be 100% true. This will most likely help with recovery and the stamina aspects of working out. Glutamine. Glutamine works by being an amino acid in skeletal muscle, and some studies show that it also helps with recovery, exercise-induced muscle soreness, improve markers of fatigue, and reduce accumulation of ammonia due to exercise. Ammonia is something that exists naturally in humans and can be produced. Ammonia serves as a precursor for amino acid and nucleotide synthesis. The study for glutamine providing benefits is somewhat likely to only be helpful if you take it after working out. This possibly helps with stamina and recovery aspect of working out. Basically, it means that glutamine is shown to only help if you take it after working out, but none of this is 100% true. There was a few websites I looked at, and they all were saying that, but they all also got it from like one or two articles. So there's really only 2 to 3 articles that are really backing it up. So I didn't know for sure. HMB, which is beta hydroxy beta methylbutyrate, helps with making protein and building skeletal muscle. It's important to do research on how many grams you should take for your age, weight, and activity level, because this is a pretty dangerous supplement. If you take like 4 to 5 grams, it could be potentially dangerous for you. And they've only really studied, on all the articles I could find, they've only studied around the aspect of what it does to your body after a few months. They have never studied what it does to your body after a full year. So definitely be careful when taking this, as all the articles I've looked at, I looked at 7 articles, but they all cited around 100 in total. But definitely be careful when taking this, and take only 3 milligrams if you're an adult. If you're a kid, I don't know, maybe like 2 or 1. I would definitely consult with your doctor if you can, or with your parents if they'll even let you take something like this, because there's not too much research on it like creatine is. Creatine is a highly studied supplement that your body produces on its own, but your body just doesn't produce enough of it. It works by increasing the strength of your muscles, I would suggest using creatine monohydrate as it is the most researched kind of creatine, and it's also the best absorbed type of creatine, which means you won't just pee it out. This helps with the strength and recovery aspect of working out. You can find them everywhere. Just make sure to get a good brand that's not overpriced. And you can get influencers creatine, but either they're going to be overpriced or they're going to be a bad form of creatine. Definitely look for monohydrate creatine. Look for decently cheap creatine. Don't look for too cheap, because then at that point it might just be low quality, because even though it is the same ingredient, it could be low quality maybe because of the way it's made. Or I would just suggest finding one on some sort of health website, or maybe going to another science fitness based YouTuber, and they will probably tell you which ones you can get. Protein works by building lean muscle mass when you exercise. If you have a goal to build muscle, you will have to consume more protein than your body burns. This helps with the recovery and strength aspect of working out. Protein is the main thing you're going to want to be taking. They say studies, I've looked at articles and a few YouTube videos that have also cited articles, and they say, I think it was around 0.7, if you are 0.7 grams is really what's all that's needed. 0.5 is too little, and they say 1 is too high, and it's just kind of bad at that point, because then your body can't even process it, and what ends up happening is nothing happens, and it's just wasted money on getting that extra protein. So just make sure. They say 1 gram is fine if you're cutting and trying to build muscle though, but they would suggest 0.7 grams per pound of body weight. Just be careful. I don't know what that is in kilograms. I'm sorry. I will have to do that in a little bit. BCAAs. BCAAs are branched chain amino acids that consist of 3 individual amino acids called leucine, isoleucine, and valine. BCAAs are critically important for muscle growth and make up around 35% of all amino acids in your body, in your muscles. This is another supplement that does not have 100% evidence of having the effects I have just said it has, but it is likely that it does. This helps with the recovery and strength aspect of working out, and possibly the stamina aspect. Now there is the 7 sources I used, and you can look at all of them, and I will show them on the screen now, and I will read them out to you. CompoundingXRusa.com, Greatest.com, Healthline.com, VeryWellHealth.com, HoneHealth.com, MuscleAndStrength.com. Now for the explanation for the sources. These sources credit around 15 to 20 articles per website I went to. I had 7 websites that I used for this information, which means around 60 to 100 articles of information that are supporting evidence for this entire video. This video took a lot of time and research, and editing it also took quite a while, so a like would be appreciated. Thanks for helping me out, and stay tuned for another science-based video.